fancy. Lancy, I'm ghetto and I'm fancy. My hair and my nails make my fancy. I'm sexy, look like a piece of candy. You want a bad bitch, diamonds dancing. St. Louis shit, bouncing ass across the pond. My UK nigga wanna eat me cause I'm fine. Got my hair red and I'm blind.
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks.
What's good, loves? This your girl Alashia XO, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're a new subby, hi. So I'm back with another wig. I found this beautiful 613 silky straight 13x4 HD lace glueless wig from CARINAHAIRWIGS. So the wig was sealed inside of a FedEx bag, and I just received wig caps and the wig. I received the wig in 26 inches, and she is 250% density. Girl, that's a lot of hair, and I am here for it. So I did curl the hair off camera. Inside the wig, you get 4 combs, 2 on each side, 1 in the middle and 1 in the nape area, including your adjustable band. I am going to be placing a little bit of my foundation on the lace just to give it a realistic look. And I will be doing the tape and spray method. I won't be using any glue in this video. So let's get started with the install. I am going to cut off the lace in the back. I want to try on the wig and see how she is sizing up to my head, and you can adjust the band to your liking so you can get her as tight as you need to.
Running first to take my swine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they didn't know was wrong, and all the nasty things.
So now that I got my wig on, I did notice that the frontal was a bit big on my head, so I'm going to have to cut some on the sides. And I wish I could have did that before I curled this hair, but no worries. It's still easy to cut the sides. I'm just going to have to recurl a piece and just let it hold with the pins just a little bit more while I do the install. But yeah, that's just a reminder. Make sure you, I guess, try on the wig before you curl it. That way you can just avoid extra work. So now that I got the frontal fitting perfectly towards my head shape, I am just going to get ready to put the tapes on the sides. I usually place my tapes under my sideburn area and a few before my hairline. I'm probably going to use about a good 3 to 5 pieces of tape. And y'all, working with lace tape is not easy. It is very tedious, but you get the best results if you don't want to mess with like any loose adhesives like glue and stuff, since that is pretty sticky too. However, tape is still sticky and it still gives you that good hold and it's less messy. Just use a pair of tweezers when removing the tab off the tape. So once I apply it on my tape and spray, I'm just going to pull down the lace just a little bit, and I'm going to comb the lace into my skin and just add a little bit of pressure. So I'm also going to repeat this step on the other side and in the middle on my forehead, and just add a little bit of pressure and just comb the hair, comb the lace into the skin, that where you'll have a perfect hold. So once I am finished, I'm going to take my elastic band and just tighten down my edges for a little minute, and I want to take down my curls.
By the time with a year, we are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Heard you wanna fuck me now, heard you wanna love me down. Heard you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done. Forget to show me something, think it like you owe me something. Push it on a pull it like a button, can't put time for it. Still getting ready in a function, bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now,
Like the beat, hey, who you be? Yeah, peace, that's how peace. Gotta drop into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She say, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Fuck that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with my key lavish. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I'm tired of calling hustle. We get nasty, I'm repetitive.
We got the pin curls out, and the hair is so soft and just fluffy. It just feels like air, and the hair is super thick. Like, thick. I mean, you will not be disappointed with the density in this hair. The wig feels like it has about a good 5 to maybe 7 bundles in it. It feels really heavy. So I'm going to straighten my roots out with my hot comb, take my band off. And I decided not to do any baby hairs with this unit because I really am feeling the natural looking hairline. But if you are fiending for the details of this unit, baby, you already know what to do. I got everything down in the description down below, so make sure you click that link and check it out.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on?
So here's the finished look, and baby, this blonde is just chef's kiss, just mwah. This is beautiful, okay? The hair is super full. If you like for your wigs to be super thick, I highly recommend ordering up on the density because baby, it is so full. The hair is super luscious, really soft. I mean, the wig is just flowing how it want to flow, and I love everything about this unit. I really don't have too many cons, maybe just one. I mean, I did get a little bit of shedding, but what wig doesn't shed? But it was like little to none shedding, so the shedding is not that bad. But of course, blonde hair is going to shed, so y'all get used to that. Overall, shipping was fast. The hair is gorgeous, little to no shedding. I highly recommend this wig, y'all. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's so